Okay, hello everyone. Before we start cooking, let's prepare the ingredients first. Okay, the first thing you have to prepare is chocolate pudding powder. The second is vanilla flour powder. The third is 350 grams of water for the pudding and 250 grams of vanilla flour. And the last is the pudding mold. The first step is to put chocolate pudding powder into the pan. And the second step is to put 350 grams of water into the pan. The third step is to turn on the stove and stir the chocolate pudding powder until evenly mixed. Keep stirring the chocolate pudding mixture until it boils. When it boils like this, let it sit for a few moments before the pudding mixture can be molded. The fourth step is to slowly put the chocolate pudding mixture into the mold. The final step is to put the pudding mold in the refrigerator. Wait about 15 minutes until the pudding hardens. Okay, next we're making vanilla flour. The first step in making vanilla flour is to put 250 grams of water into a pan. The second step is to add the vanilla powder into the pan. The third step is to stir the vanilla powder until evenly mixed. If it is mixed well and boiling like this, turn off the stove and the vanilla flour is ready. So, after the pudding has cooled, now the flour vanilla chocolate pudding is ready to eat. And I hope you all understand how to make and cook it at home. And it's time to plating.